can increase your breast size by 2 cups completely naturally and without expensive, painful surgery. Plastic surgeons have been hiding these amazing breast enhancement strategies for years, but today, you can join more than 7,591 women from 69 countries around the world who know these techniques, and they know they work. They are proof. If you've ever felt self-conscious about the size of your breasts, you're not alone. You have probably felt that no matter how great your figure is, or how beautiful your hair might be, or how successful you are in life, something is missing. If you've ever felt that having small breasts make you feel like less of a woman, then please listen to every word of this video very carefully.